Stove is on the fritz, the fridge is getting hot. Need a reliable fix without spending a lot. For the homeowners here in the A-Town, we got you. Monroe Appliance Repair, gonna see the job through. Professional service, always dependable, and our prices are always affordable. So if your washer's broke or your dryer's making noise, just make one simple, smart, and easy choice. Call Monroe Appliance Repair, yeah, we serve all Atlanta. Monroe Appliance Repair, the trusted standard.